10 most expensive and highest penthouse in the world. Hey there, curious minds. Ever imagined living in luxury sky-touching homes? Today, we're touring the world's 10 most expensive and highest penthouses. We're going to reach magnificence and majesty that will leave you dumbfounded. Number 1. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco, $440 million. Monaco's $440 million Odeon Tower Penthouse is one of the world's most expensive. This 35,500 square foot penthouse atop Odeon Tower has many floors. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea and Monaco. A private lift, wine cellar, and home cinema enhance its luxury. The rooftops terrace infinity pool, jacuzzi, and chair stands out. Monaco's luxury lifestyle, including fine food and entertainment, is available here. Number 2. Central Park Tower, New York, $250 million. New York City's $250 million Central Park Tower penthouse is one of the world's most expensive. This luxurious apartment in Central Park Tower offers stunning views of the city and park. This apartment epitomizes luxury living with its opulent decor and superb finishing. Its amenities include high-end features, multiple bedrooms, and sophisticated entertainment spaces. The Central Park Tower penthouse epitomizes upscale New York living, combining breathtaking vistas with the prestige of residing in one of the world's most sought-after addresses. Number 3. One Hyde Park, London, $237 million. The One Hyde Park penthouse in London holds a notable price tag of $237 million, solidifying its status as one of the globe's most expensive penthouses. This luxurious property at One Hyde Park has magnificent views of London's skyline. It's close to the city's cultural and entertainment venues. The penthouse boasts opulent features, exclusive amenities, and exceptional security. Living in the One Hyde Park penthouse represents the epitome of luxury living in the heart of London, catering to the discerning tastes of high-net-worth individuals seeking unparalleled elegance and sophistication. Number 4. 432 Park Avenue, New York, $95 million. 432 Park Avenue, New York's most expensive penthouse, costs $95 million. This penthouse overlooks Central Park and Manhattan from a famous building. Its sophisticated style and high-end details exude luxury. With multiple bedrooms and spacious living areas, it caters to refined living and sophisticated entertainment. The penthouse at 432 Park Avenue represents the pinnacle of New York City's upscale lifestyle, combining exclusive amenities and unparalleled vistas for those seeking the ultimate metropolitan living experience. Number 5. The Woolworth Tower Residences, New York, $79 million. Valued at $79 million, the Woolworth Tower Residences penthouse in New York City epitomizes opulence and grandeur. This Woolworth building penthouse combines history and elegance. The penthouse has stunning city views and gorgeous neo-Gothic architecture. Its luxury features include a fitness center and wine storage. Residing in the Woolworth Tower Residences penthouse allows privileged access to New York's cultural offerings while enjoying the height of exclusivity and sophistication. Number 6. The Pierre Hotel Penthouse, New York, $70 million. The Pierre Hotel Penthouse, nestled in the heart of New York, commands a substantial $70 million price tag. This prestigious residence within the Pierre Hotel offers timeless elegance and panoramic views of Central Park and the city skyline. With its classic design and luxurious features, the penthouse provides an exquisite living experience. Lavish amenities, including a private elevator and personalized concierge services, cater to the discerning tastes of its residents. Living at the Pierre Hotel Penthouse grants unparalleled access to Manhattan's cultural landmarks and upscale lifestyle, making it a coveted address for those seeking the epitome of New York luxury living. Number 7. The Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse, Monaco, $65 million. The Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse in Monaco boasts a substantial price tag of $65 million. This apartment overlooks the Mediterranean from the Tour Odeon. Contemporary design and floor-to-ceiling windows offer amazing sea and city views. The penthouse embodies modern luxury with opulent finishes, expansive living rooms, and cutting-edge conveniences. Residents may enjoy outdoor life in seclusion with a rooftop infinity pool. The Tour Odeon Sky Penthouse presents an exclusive opportunity to indulge in Monaco's extravagant lifestyle while relishing the comfort of an exceptional high-end retreat. 8. The City Spire Penthouse, New York, $62.5 million. The City Spire Penthouse, situated in vibrant New York City, commands a significant price of $62.5 million. Occupying the upper echelons of the City Spire Center, this penthouse offers breathtaking views from the iconic skyline in Central Park. Its contemporary design seamlessly melds luxury with modern aesthetics, creating an atmosphere of sophistication. Lavish features such as high-end finishes, spacious living areas, and top-tier amenities define the essence of upscale living. The City Spire Penthouse stands as a testament to New York's allure, providing an exclusive haven for those seeking the pinnacle of metropolitan luxury and a quintessential Manhattan experience. Number 9. The Sherry Netherland, New York, $55 million. Nestled within the historic Sherry Netherland building in New York, the penthouse commands a noteworthy $55 million. This residence offers a timeless blend of classic charm and modern luxury, with stunning views of Central Park and the city. Its elegant design, including exquisite detailing and spacious living areas, captures the essence of refined living. The penthouse's prestige is further enhanced by exclusive access to the Sherry Netherland's renowned amenities and services. Residing in the Sherry Netherland penthouse provides a rare opportunity to immerse oneself in New York's cultural offerings and cosmopolitan lifestyle while savoring the grace and elegance of a bygone era. Number 10. Faena Residence, Miami Beach, $50 million. Situated in the vibrant city of Miami Beach, the Faena Residence penthouse holds a substantial price tag of $50 million. Located within the renowned Faena district, this penthouse offers sweeping views of the Atlantic Ocean and the city's skyline. Its contemporary design exudes luxury and sophistication, with sleek lines and high-end finishes. The penthouse's expansive living spaces, state-of-the-art amenities, and private outdoor areas define upscale living at its finest. Residing in the Faena Residence, Penthouse provides an exclusive opportunity to enjoy Miami Beach's vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and high-end entertainment, making it a coveted address for those seeking the epitome of coastal luxury living. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour through the 10 most expensive and highest penthouses in the world. From futuristic technology to natural wonders, from heart-stopping thrills to serene retreats, these architectural marvels redefine luxury living. As we conclude our voyage, these penthouses aren't simply homes, they're fantasies realized at the height of human achievement. Which of these high-rises would you live in? Comment below and let your creativity fly. Stay interested and aim high till next time.